Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply a tourist visa to Eritrea. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing I would like to show you is the visa policy of Eritrea. So you can see that it's a, I have opened this visa policy information from Wikipedia, where it says that you must obtain a visa for from Eritrean diplomatic mission unless you are from an exempt country. So let's see here. So this red portion is Eritrea, and for this country green, visa is not required. For these countries, visa on arrival. Rest all, visa is required. So citizens of Kenya and Uganda can visit Eritrea without a visa. Okay. Diplomatic service passport or public affairs of China are exempt for 60 days. Okay. These are not required for minors under 8 years of age if accompanied by parents holding national ID card issued by Eritrea. Fine. And visa on arrival they provide to Ethiopia and Sudan. But what about other countries? You need to apply for a visa. So when it comes to apply for the visa, you need to find out which is the nearest embassy or mission that covers your jurisdiction. So for example, if you're from India, I have opened Embassy of the State of Eritrea, that's in New Delhi. If you go to download forms, they have visa application form, process for passport replacement and visa process information. So visa process information. So what they are saying that the embassy in India gives entry visa only to resident of India. It doesn't say citizen, okay, resident of India. So even if you're a citizen of different country and living in India, you can apply over here. Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand. Following documents you need to submit in an email address. Contact your host or national any travel agent for tourists from Eritrea and request them to send the invitation. Okay. Copy passport of applicant. Carefully completed entry visa form. We'll go through that. CV of applicant and travel history. After successfully completed, we'll contact you in form about the payment and how to send passport for visas for the stamp visa sticker. But so okay, fine. But there is a very good thing about this country visa processes that they are gonna contact you and let you pay the fee only after they are done with the processing, right? So first, if you're at step 2, you have sent all the documents, and if it is successful, then only they're gonna tell you to pay the fee. So that's really a good thing. Like most of the countries I see, like they just, I mean, they like there's a processing fee which is justified. I'm not saying that's wrong. Okay. But for this country it's good, and same thing I've seen for Japan as well. Japan e-visa, I think. Yeah. Entry visa is valid only for 1 month from the date of entry to Eritrea, but it can be extended in Eritrea. Okay, fine. So now let's go through the form. Information about the person invited. Put the information, your information. Purpose of entry. If tourism, you'll check here. Entry, single, period of stay. This section is for official use. Under declare the information about is correct and complete. Okay. So very simple. Okay, process they have defined. So like for here, you have this process, but for other embassies, you may have something different. Like there, they have asked you send by email. They may, in one particular embassy, they may ask you to come in person. So that's why always check the embassy that is responsible for you. And from there, you can follow the process. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.